ever notice how some used cars on the lot look almost brand new, even though you know they've been around the block a few times? It's like they've got a secret weapon for making old paint look fresh. Well, today I'm going to let you in on a little secret. A $1 liquid that can restore faded car paint, and it's something car dealers would rather you never find out about. If you like learning about these everyday money mysteries, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Let's get started. Imagine you've got an old car sitting outside. Maybe it's your first car. Maybe it's just the family's backup ride. The paint's faded, it's lost its shine, and every time you see it, you wish it looked a little better. You've probably seen ads for expensive detailing or even thought about a new paint job, but those can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. What if I told you there's a way to make your car look almost new again for just $1, using something you probably already have at home? Let's talk about why car paint fades in the first place. Over time, sunlight, rain, and pollution break down the clear coat on top of your car's paint. That clear coat is what gives your car its shine. When it gets scratched or oxidized, the paint underneath starts to look dull and tired. Dealers know this, and they know that a shiny car sells faster and for more money. So they use a few tricks to make old paint look new again. Some of these tricks are high-tech, but others are surprisingly simple and cheap. Here's where the story gets interesting. Years ago, a friend of mine worked at a small used car dealership. Before they put any car on the lot, they'd wash it, vacuum it, and then wipe down the faded paint with a certain household liquid. The result? The paint would shine, and the car would look years younger. Customers would walk by, see the shine, and suddenly that old car didn't look so old anymore. So, what is this $1 liquid? I'll get to that in a minute, but first, let's talk about why it works. Car paint is made up of layers: the metal body, primer, colored paint, and a clear coat. Over time, the clear coat gets tiny scratches and starts to look cloudy. Most of the time, the color underneath is still fine. It's just hidden by that dull, scratched-up clear coat. What this $1 liquid does is fill in those tiny scratches and make the surface smooth again, at least temporarily. It doesn't fix the paint, but it makes it look a whole lot better. You might be wondering, if it's so simple, why don't more people know about it? Well, that's where the economics come in. Car dealerships make a lot of money on appearance. A car that looks good sells faster and for more money. If everyone knew how to make their old car look new for $1, detailing shops and dealerships would lose a big chunk of their business. So it's in their interest to keep this trick under wraps. They want you to think you need expensive products or professional services. But sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Let me tell you about the first time I saw this trick in action. My friend bought a beat-up old Honda. The paint was faded, the hood looked almost white from sun damage, and honestly, it looked like it belonged in a junkyard. But after a quick wash and a wipe down with this mystery liquid, the difference was night and day. The red paint came back to life. The shine was incredible, and suddenly the car looked like it was worth 3 times what he paid for it. He ended up selling it a week later for a tidy profit. That's when I realized there's a whole world of little secrets like this that most people never hear about. So, what is this $1 liquid? Here's a hint. You've probably used it before, just not on your car. It's not a wax, not a polish, and not some fancy detailing spray. It's something you can find in almost any grocery store, usually near the cleaning supplies. Still curious? Good. Because before I reveal exactly what it is, let's talk about why this trick works so well and why it's not a permanent fix. When you apply this liquid to faded paint, it fills in the tiny scratches and evens out the surface. Light reflects off the paint more evenly, which makes it look shiny and new. But here's the catch. It doesn't last forever. After a few washes or a couple of rainstorms, the effect starts to fade. That's why dealers use it right before putting a car on the lot or showing it to a potential buyer. It's a quick, cheap way to make a car look its best, just long enough to make the sale. Now, you might be wondering if this is some kind of scam. Is it dishonest to use a trick like this to make a car look better than it really is? The way I see it, it's no different than cleaning your house before having guests over. You're not hiding anything, you're just putting your best foot forward. And if you're selling a car, you want it to look as good as possible. The key is to be honest about what you've done. If someone asks, tell them. But there's nothing wrong with making your car look its best, especially if it only costs $1. So let's get back to the economics for a second. Why do dealers care so much about appearance? It's simple. First impressions matter. When a customer walks onto a lot, they're drawn to the cars that look clean and shiny. Even if 2 cars are the same age and have the same mileage, the one with the better looking paint will almost always sell first, and for more money. Dealers know this, and they're willing to spend a little time and money to get that edge. But what they don't want is for everyone to know how easy it is to do it yourself. All right, I know you're still waiting for the big reveal. I promise I'll tell you exactly what this $1 liquid is and how to use it in just a minute. But first, Let's talk about some of the other tricks dealers use to make cars look better than they really are. Some are harmless, like using tire shine or air freshener. Others are a bit more sneaky, like using touch-up paint to hide scratches. But out of all these tricks, the $1 liquid is by far the cheapest and most effective. Now, you might be thinking, if it's so easy, why don't car manufacturers just make paint that doesn't fade? The truth is, they've tried. Modern car paint is a lot better than it used to be, but nothing lasts forever. Sunlight, weather, and time will always take their toll. That's why even newer cars can start to look dull after a few years. And that's why this simple trick is so valuable. It gives you a way to fight back against the elements without spending a fortune. So, if you've got an old car with faded paint, or you're thinking about selling your car and want to get the best price, this $1 liquid could be your secret weapon. It's easy to use, it's cheap, and it really works. But before you run out to the store, let's take a closer look at how it works, why it works, and what you need to watch out for. Because, like any good trick, there are a few things you need to know to get the best results. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter. You've waited long enough. The $1 liquid that can restore faded car paint is something you probably already have at home. Furniture polish. That's right, good old furniture polish, like Pledge or any generic brand you find at the dollar store. It sounds almost too simple, but there's a reason this trick has been quietly used by car dealers for years. Let's break down why it works. Most furniture polishes contain a mix of oils and silicones. These ingredients are designed to fill in tiny scratches and create a smooth, shiny surface on wood. When you use it on faded car paint, it does the same thing. The polish fills in the microscopic scratches and oxidation on your car's clear coat, making the surface reflect light more evenly. The result is a deep, glossy shine that makes the paint look years younger. It's not magic, it's just chemistry. Now, before you run outside and start spraying your car, there are a few things you should know. First, furniture polish is not a permanent fix. It's a quick, temporary shine that will last for a few days, maybe a week if the weather's good and you don't wash your car. If it rains or you take your car through a car wash, the effect will fade and you'll need to reapply. Second, you want to use a polish that doesn't contain harsh chemicals or abrasives. Stick to the basic stuff. No bleach, no ammonia, nothing that could damage your paint. Always test it on a small, hidden area first just to be safe. So, how do you use it? Start with a clean, dry car. Shake the can, spray a light mist of polish onto a soft, clean cloth, not directly onto the car, and gently rub it onto the faded paint in small circles. Work in sections and don't use too much. A little goes a long way. Once you've covered the area, use a second clean cloth to buff it out, just like you would with car wax. The results are almost instant. The paint will look deeper, the color will pop, and you'll see a shine that you probably haven't seen in years. You might be wondering, is this safe for my car? The answer is yes, as long as you use it sparingly and don't make it a regular habit. Furniture polish isn't designed for cars, so it doesn't offer the same protection as real car wax or sealant. But for a quick touch-up before selling your car, or just to make it look good for a special occasion, it's hard to beat. And remember, this is the same trick that dealers have been using for years. They know that a shiny car sells, and they're not above using a little household magic to get the job done. Let's talk about why this trick is so effective from an economic perspective. If you're a dealer with a lot full of used cars, you want every car to look its best with the least amount of effort and expense. Professional detailing can cost $100 or more per car, and even a basic wash and wax can add up if you're doing dozens of cars a week. But a can of furniture polish costs $1 and can do several cars. That's a huge savings, and it means more profit when the cars sell. It's a classic example of using a low-cost solution to maximize value, a principle that applies to all kinds of businesses, not just car sales. But there's another side to this story. While furniture polish can make your car look great, it's not a substitute for real maintenance. If your paint is badly damaged, peeling, or rusting, no amount of polish is going to fix it. And if you want long-term protection, you're still better off using a proper car wax or sealant. But for those times when you just need a quick boost, or you want to impress a potential buyer, this trick is a game changer. Let me share another story. A few years ago, I helped a friend sell his old pickup truck. The paint was faded, especially on the hood and roof, and he was worried it would scare off buyers. We didn't have time or money for a professional detail, so I grabbed a can of furniture polish from under his kitchen sink. We wiped down the faded areas, buffed them out, and within minutes, the truck looked years younger. He ended up selling it the next day for more than he expected. The buyer even commented on how nice the paint looked. That's the power of a simple, cheap trick that most people overlook. Now, you might be thinking, if this is such a great trick, why don't more people talk about it? The answer is simple. It's not glamorous. There's no big marketing campaign behind furniture polish for cars. No one's making YouTube ads or flashy commercials. It's just a quiet little secret that gets passed around among people who know how to stretch a dollar. Dealers use it because it works and because it's cheap. But they're not going to advertise it because they'd rather sell you a $50 detailing package. There's also a psychological angle here. People tend to believe that more expensive products are better. If you see a bottle of car polish for $20, you assume it must be better than a $1 can of furniture polish. But that's not always true. Sometimes the simplest, cheapest solution is all you need. It's a good reminder that you don't always have to spend a lot of money to get good results. Let's dig a little deeper into the science. The oils and silicones in furniture polish work by creating a thin, smooth layer on top of the paint. This layer fills in tiny scratches and imperfections, which makes the surface reflect light more evenly. That's what gives you that deep, glossy shine. It's the same principle behind car wax, but without the long-lasting protection. The effect is temporary, but it's dramatic. And because the polish is clear, it works on any color paint: red, blue, black, white, you name it. But here's something to keep in mind. Because the effect is temporary, you'll need to reapply the polish every so often if you want to keep your car looking its best. And if you're planning to sell your car, it's a good idea to give it a fresh wipe down right before showing it to potential buyers. That way, you get the maximum impact when it matters most. Now, let's talk about some of the potential downsides. While furniture polish is generally safe for car paint, it can leave a slightly greasy residue if you use too much. That's why it's important to buff it out thoroughly with a clean cloth. And if you live in a hot climate, the oils in the polish can attract dust, so you might need to wipe your car down more often. But for most people, these are minor issues compared to the benefits. So, to sum up, the $1 liquid that restores faded car paint is furniture polish. It's cheap, it's easy to use, and it really works, at least for a little while. Dealers have been using this trick for years, and now you know their secret. But remember, it's not a permanent fix, and it's not a substitute for real maintenance. It's just a quick, easy way to make your car look its best when you need it most. But there's still more to this story. What happens when everyone knows about this trick? Will it change the way cars are sold? Will detailing shops have to step up their game? And what other everyday products are hiding in plain sight, just waiting to save you money? Stick around, because in the final section, we're going to wrap it all up and talk about what this means for you, for car buyers, and for the whole used car industry. So now you know the secret. A simple can of furniture polish, something you can pick up for $1, can make your old faded car paint look almost new again. It's a trick that's been hiding in plain sight, used by dealers and detailers for years, and now it's yours to use whenever you want. But what does this mean for you, for car buyers, and for the whole used car industry? Let's bring it all together. First, let's talk about what this means for you as a car owner. Maybe you're not planning to sell your car anytime soon. Maybe you just want it to look a little better when you pull into the driveway or head out for a weekend drive. Knowing this trick gives you a little bit of power back. You don't have to spend a fortune on detailing or fancy products. You don't have to feel embarrassed about your car's faded paint. With just $1 and a few minutes of your time, you can give your car a quick facelift and feel a little bit better every time you see it. That's a small thing, but it matters. If you are thinking about selling your car, this trick can make a real difference. First impressions count, and a shiny, clean car is always going to attract more attention than one that looks tired and worn out. Even if the effect is temporary, it's enough to get people interested, to get them to take a closer look, and maybe even to pay a little more. In a world where every dollar counts, that's a big deal. And now that you know the secret, you're on a level playing field with the dealers and the pros. But what about the bigger picture? What happens if more and more people start using this trick? Will it change the way cars are sold? Maybe. Dealers might have to work a little harder to stand out. Detailers might have to offer more value, better service, or longer-lasting results. And buyers might get a little savvier, looking past the shine to see what's really underneath. In the end, that's probably a good thing. A little more transparency, a little more honesty, and a little less mystery can only help the market work better for everyone. There's also a lesson here about value and perception. We live in a world where marketing is everywhere, where we're constantly told that we need the latest, greatest, most expensive products to get good results. But sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity, a little curiosity, and a willingness to look beyond the label. That's true for car care, but it's also true for a lot of other things in life. The next time you're faced with a problem, ask yourself, is there a simple, cheap solution that I'm overlooking? You might be surprised at what you find. And let's not forget the economics. This whole story is a perfect example of how markets work, how information gets shared, and how little secrets can make a big difference. Dealers use this trick because it saves them money and helps them sell cars. Now that you know about it, you can use it too. That's the power of information. It levels the playing field, gives you more options, and helps you make better decisions. Whether you're buying, selling, or just trying to keep your car looking good, a little knowledge goes a long way. Of course, there are limits. Furniture polish isn't going to fix deep scratches, rust, or peeling paint. It's not a miracle cure, and it's not a substitute for real maintenance. But for what it is, a quick, cheap way to make your car look better, it's hard to beat. And now that you know the secret, You can use it whenever you need a little boost. So, what should you do next? If you've got a faded car sitting in your driveway, give this trick a try. Grab a can of furniture polish, a couple of soft cloths, and see what happens. You might be surprised at how much better your car looks. And if you're thinking about selling, remember that a little effort can go a long way. Clean it up, shine it up, and put your best foot forward. You don't have to spend a lot to make a big difference. But I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a trick like this? Do you have your own secret for making old things look new again? Maybe you've got a story about buying or selling a car, or maybe you've discovered another everyday product that works wonders in a totally unexpected way. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a conversation going. And if you found this video helpful, or if you know someone who could use a little car care magic, go ahead and share it. The more people know, the better off we all are. At the end of the day, that's what this channel is all about. Sharing the little secrets, the hidden truths, and the boring economic updates that actually make a difference in your life. Sometimes it's about saving money, sometimes it's about understanding how things work, and sometimes it's just about seeing the world a little differently. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, or if you just like getting the inside scoop on everyday economics, make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for the next one. We've got plenty more secrets to share, and you won't want to miss what's coming up. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Don't let the shine fool you. Look a little deeper, ask a few questions, and you'll be amazed at what you can find. Until next time, keep your eyes open, your mind curious, and your car looking its best. See you in the next video.